Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the circle of fifths when planning your song transitions. This is mainly for worship songs, but this can apply to other settings as well. But this is mainly a lesson on how to avoid key changes that are going to be kind of rough changes or something that's, I would say, is hard on the ears. It's not smooth, but it's going to be, and it's going to be less focused on how to choose the best key, because obviously the best and smoothest transition from key to key is going to be the same key going from, C to C or A to A. Obviously that's better, but what are some of the next best things for you to choose, the next best keys? So here's the rule. When you're looking at this circle, don't be intimidated by all this extra stuff. I'm just looking at these red letters around the circle. That's all I'm looking at right now. Here's the rule. Try to keep your key changes as close as possible together on the circle. So obviously, if you have a key that's starting in C, the first song it's in C, but your second song is in C, that's good because they occupy the same space on the circle. But if C is not an option, what's the next best option? So let's say the next song, your vocalist says, I could do it in B or B flat. And they tell you whatever key is better. So here's the key that I would choose. So here is C. This is assuming that the preceding song is in C, and the next song is either going to be in B or B flat. Using the rule I just told you, the better key is going to be the one that is closer to C in terms of the steps here along the outer edge of the circle. So if you count the steps from C to B, B's down here, C's up here, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps versus to B flat, 1, 2 steps. So if that's the case, since B flat is closer to C, I would absolutely pick B flat for your second key because that's going to be a smoother transition from C to B. Another quick example would be, let's say you have your preceding songs in G, and your next one, you have an option between A or A flat. Going to A flat from G is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps versus A, it's going to be 1, 2 steps around the circle. So I would definitely veer towards A. If that's a little bit too high, then I guess you could do A flat, but I mean, at that point, if A is too high, I would just stick with the same key G. So anyways, hopefully that makes sense, and thanks for watching.